Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add McDonald's gift card to app. Currently, you cannot add a McDonald's gift card, also known as an Arch card, directly to the McDonald's app as a stored payment method for mobile orders. The app does not support loading the balance into your account to pay for orders inside the app. The only way is to pay at the restaurant using that gift card. First, open the McDonald's app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can access offers and rewards. Browse the menu just like you normally would. Add the items you want to your cart. You can also apply any available deals or rewards before checkout. Once your order is ready, move to the checkout screen. Here is the important step. Instead of choosing to pay in the app, select the option that says Pay at Restaurant. This allows you to place the order now and handle the payment when you arrive. Next, choose your pickup method. You can select drive-through, curbside, or counter pickup depending on what works best for you. Confirm your order and submit it through the app. Now head to the restaurant you selected. When you arrive, go to your chosen pickup spot. If you are in the drive-through, tell the crew member that you placed a mobile order and will be paying at the window. Finally, present your McDonald's gift card. This can be a physical card or a digital barcode on your phone. The staff will scan it or enter the number manually to complete your payment. Thanks for watching.